How you all doing? What we're getting up to in this video? Subscribers, Triumph Tiger. Oil change. So let's get on with it. Okay then, if you're like me and you haven't got a motorcycle bench, you'll need a nice carpet to lie on. The drain plug is located just here. You'll need a 13mm spanner. Make sure it's on there all the way. There we go. Get a suitable container. And carefully undo the drain plug. There we go. Yes, I think we can safely say that needs changing. Okay, we'll wait for that to drain off and then we can remove the oil filter. While we're waiting for the oil to drain, I'll just say if I had a penny for every time I rip my skin off on these bloody things, pushing past the bike, and I've just come to the realisation, these are quick release. There's a keyhole there, and these bolts are not threaded in, they've just got pins on the back. So let's get the bloody things out of the way. We can find the right key. There we go. There we go. I've just put my screwdriver on these ones. The last one at the top there. That'll make life so much easier. No more grazed dips. Right, so that's been about an hour and that's just about stopped dripping. I'm sure you all spotted it, but I didn't. My crush washer fell off into the oil, but by my standards that's quite good. Normally I drop the old drain plug in there. We've contained it into another container to take it to the recycle centre, and now we can retrieve our crush washer. I'll just put that back on there, I don't think we need a new one. Then we can put the drain plug back in. Pinch it back up. Then we can remove the oil filter. And I believe this nut is a 17mm, and we don't have a nut on the new filter. Let's just crack that open. Hopefully, yes, it's going. Some damage on there. I wonder if I did that with the jack. Probably. Just leave that to pour in there a bit. Okay, so that's been dripping for a while. Let's just give it a bit of a wipe. Try and twist it out. There we go. And drop it into there. Give all that a good clean up there. Okay, so we've got the new filter. got this seal on it, which means there's already grease around this ring. Hasn't got the nut on the bottom, but it is for this bike. And we have one of these. So we just feed that up there. Try and find the threads. Screw it back up. As tight as we can with our fingers. So we can put this tool on. Just tighten it up with our hand. That'll do. There is a hole to put your wrench in to undo it, but I won't use the wrench to tighten it up. You're only supposed to do them hand tight. You can't quite get your hand in there to do it hand tight. And so I put that on. That's plenty tight enough. So now we can come round to the filler plug dipstick. This is the filler plug and I'm the dipstick. Okay, so the recommended oil, the Triumph Tiger 955 injection 2001 is semi or fully synthetic, 10W.40 or 15W.40. Specifications are the API, SH and JASOMA. And how much we need to put in the engine is, with this dry engine and a new filter, we need to put 4.3 litres. If we take that down to that mark there, that should be 4 litres. Right, we'll get the funnel in there and slowly fill this back up. Oh. Alright, we're just checking to make sure it's oil and not coolant, because it's blue. I've seen red before, but I must admit I've never seen blue. It's like a bluey greeny Turkish colour. Turquoise colour. Good, a long way to go yet. Yep, that'll do. Put the dipstick back in. I don't know if this is a drop-in dipstick or you screw it in to take all the threads up and then do your reading. Well, there's still none on it. Mind you, the bike is on quite of an angle. This floor is sloping up here, so maybe I need to put it down there a bit more. Bloody hay fever's doing my head in. Right, let's try that. Ooh. Let's have a look at the dipstick. That's better, it's just on the minimum. Let's check that. Yes, that's on the maximum mark now. But once we start it up and it works its way round, I'd imagine it won't be. I'm not actually going to start the bike up, but I will turn it over. Okay, so there's no fuel connected to the bike, and there is no fuel pump connected to the bike. I'm just going to turn the engine over a few times. I can find the right key. I can't do it with one hand because I've got to pull the clutch in. See if we can rest you up there. Stay. Pull the clutch in. There's the oil light. It hasn't gone off yet. Don't think it'll go off. Yes, the oil light went off, so that's the oil pressure built up. So we'll leave that to settle for a bit and then we'll check it again. Right, so we poured the rest of the oil in. So that's 4 litres in there. Hopefully there was a bit of residual oil left in there. Now let's test the dipstick. Oh yes, perfect. Bang on. Thank God for that. I can't start it up yet, but obviously when I do start it up and turn it off again, I'll recheck the oil. So there you go, how I did the oil change on Rob the Subscriber's Triumph Tiger 955 injection 2001 spoked wheel model. It's been off the road for 10 years and I'm sure this year it's going back on the road. So that's it for this video. JT Moto over and out.
I'll see you in another life, brother.